At the train station.
Hello, I'd like a ticket to Boston, please.
Sure, or today, the next train is at 10:30 a.m.
Yes, for that train. How much is a one-way ticket?
$50. A round-trip ticket is $80.
Just one way for now. Is it a direct train?
Yes, nonstop. The trip takes 4 hours. Perfect. Can I have a window seat, please?
Of course.
Great. I'll pay with a card. Is there a cafe car on the train? Yes, you can buy coffee, sandwiches, and water there. Am I allowed to bring my own food?
Yes, that's no problem.
And what is the cancellation policy?
You can cancel up to 1 hour before the departure time.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your ticket and your receipt. Your train leaves from platform 5. The waiting area is over there. Have a good trip.
First day at work.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day. I'm Thomas.
I'm Laura. Nice to meet you. Are you looking for the HR office?
Yes, I have an appointment with Martha at 9:30.
She's the head of HR. Her office is on the second floor. She is very punctual.
Thanks. I need to get my ID badge and sign some paperwork.
Martha will help you with all of that.
Great. Can you tell me where the kitchen is? I'd love a coffee. Of course.
It's next to the big conference room. The coffee is free. There are also usually some free cookies.
Fantastic. What time is the lunch break?
From 1 to 2. Sometimes we go out to a nearby bar called the Corner Bistro.
Sounds good. And the restrooms?
In the back on the right.
Thank you so much for your help.
Of course, welcome to the team. Hotel breakfast buffet.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, thank you. Very well.
Great to hear. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry today. Wonderful. What is your room number, please? 302.
One moment. Yes, breakfast is included.
Super. Thank you. Is it a buffet?
Yes, it is. It's over there next to the big windows.
What do you have?
We have toast, croissants, cereal, cheese, and fruit. Everything is there.
And drinks?
Of course, coffee, tea, orange juice, and hot chocolate.
Perfect. Can I take to croissants?
Of course. Take as much as you like.
Thank you. Do you have yogurt?
Yes, plain and with fruit. It's in the small fridge.
Great. And are there eggs?
Yes, we have boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
I'll try the scrambled eggs then.
Good choice.
Can I sit where I want?
Yes, all the tables are free.
Then I'll take the table by the window. I like the morning light.
Good idea. The sun is shining today.
Do you have butter?
Yes, right next to the jam and the honey.
Perfect. And if I want more juice?
Just help yourself. The pitcher is over there.
Thank you. What time is breakfast until?
until 10 a.m., so you still have plenty of time.
Super, this is my first breakfast in the United States.
Then welcome. You like it?
Yes, very much. The bread is really delicious.
It's fresh from the bakery this morning.
I can tell.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Enjoy your meal, Mrs. Smith.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Room AC problem.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, I have a small problem in my room.
Oh, what's wrong?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is your room number?
307 on the third floor.
Is it very warm in the room?
Yes, very warm. I can't sleep.
I understand. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, many times. But nothing happens.
Is there a light or a sound?
No, nothing at all. It's completely off.
Okay, I'll call our technician right away.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is already in the hotel.
Great. Thank you.
When did you notice the problem?
Last night. It wasn't working then either.
Okay, would you like a fan for now?
Oh, yes. That would be great.
No problem. I'll bring one to you right away.
Perfect. Thank you.
The technician will look at it soon.
Can he fix it?
Yes, hopefully. If not, we will give you a new one tomorrow.
And if it can't be fixed?
Then, of course, we will give you another room.
Thank you. That's very nice.
Of course, we want you to be comfortable.
I see that. Should I wait in the room?
Yes, please stay there. We will come soon.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day, even if it's hot.
Thanks. The fan will help. See you soon.